Welcome back, students. So in this class also we will do another solvency ratio that is also a part of ratio analysis, and this is our fourth ratio, that is interest coverage ratio. It establishes the relation between net profit before tax and interest and the amount of interest which is payable by the organization on long term borrowings. So the formula is net profit before tax and interest, and it is to be divided by interest on long term borrowings. It is expressed in terms of times because it shows the ability of the company whether they are able to pay interest on long term borrowings on due date or not, and how much times they can pay interest on long term borrowings if they require to raise funds with the help of long term borrowings. Clear? So how can we calculate net profit before tax and interest with the help of revenue from operation? As we have prepared statement of profit and loss, we have to calculate net profit before interest and tax. Then what is the formula for that? Net profit before tax and interest is equal to total revenue minus expenses, total expenses, excluding finance cost and tax, excluding finance cost and tax. And how can we calculate interest on long term borrowings? This is the amount of interest which is paid by the company on long term borrowings. In case of debentures, it is mentioned at the prior to the amount of debentures. And if the company has taken loan from bank, then interest also given in percentage. So now we have to calculate one practical problem on this behalf, and question is on your screen. Now we have to calculate interest coverage ratio. In your question, net profit after tax is given. Net profit after tax is rupees 7 lakh. And tax rate is given 30%. It means if tax rate is 30%, it means after tax the amount is 70%. Then can we calculate net profit before tax? Net profit before tax is equal to 70% of x is equal to 7 lakh. X is equal to 7 lakh multiplied by 100 upon 70. It comes to 10 lakh. It is net profit before tax. And we have to calculate net profit before tax and interest. So in this we have to add interest, and interest is 6% on debentures, 20 lakh. It comes to 1,20,000. So net profit before tax and interest is equal to 10 lakh plus 1,20,000. It comes to rupees 11,20,000. Clear? And interest on long term borrowings is given. We have calculated 1,20,000. Now can we calculate interest coverage ratio? That is net profit before tax and interest upon amount of interest on long term borrowings. It comes to, what will be the amount for it? 9.33:1. or we can say 9.33 times. I think this concept is clear to you. So goodbye, have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video.